find the zeros. Okay, we're going to begin by looking at the factors of the leading coefficient of 1, which is just 1, and the factors of 6, which are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So the possible zeros that I need to check are these values at the right over 1. So I've got 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 3, negative 3, 6, and negative 6. Those are the only nice clean zeros this function can have. So now it's time to do some synthetic division. I'm going to write my polynomial 1, negative 7, 14, and negative 6. And let's start by determining whether 1 works. Bring 1 down. 1 times 1 is 1, minus the 7 at the top gives us negative 6. 1 times negative 6 is negative 6, plus that 14 gives us 8. 1 times 8 is 8, minus that 6 is 2. We wanted remainders of zeros to tell us if we had a 0. 1 is clearly not. So now we try negative 1. Here we go. Bring down our leading coefficient of 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1, plus the negative 7 at the top is negative 8. Negative 1 times negative 8 is 8, plus that 14 is 22, and this is not looking very hopeful for us. So we continue on with our chart, and we try 2. Bring down the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, minus that 7 is negative 5. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, plus that 14 makes positive 4. 2 times 4 is 8, minus that 6 is 2 again. Bummer. So we keep on trying. Let's try 3. Bring down the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, minus that 7 is negative 4. 3 times that negative 4 is negative 12, plus that 14 there is 2. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 6 is 0. Ding, 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 we've got a winner. What does that tell us? This tells us that the original function up here can be factored, and that I can write g of x now as x plus 3 times x squared minus 4x plus 2. And notice that I changed the sign of the 3 here to a negative 3. I'm glad I said that because I just checked my work. Now, we would continue factoring here, but this right here you can tell is not going to factor. We would have to use the quadratic formula on that, and we would then find that our zeros are 3 and 2 plus or minus root 2, which is the result you get when you use the quadratic formula.